The spring is part of your trimmer's handle adjustment system. It applies pressure to the lock button to hold the adjustable handle in place. Over time, the spring can weaken, allowing the handle to slip. Often, the spring is replaced because it is lost when the tool is taken apart for another repair. Replacing the spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the adjustable handle from the trimmer. To remove the handle, I'll press the button that you normally press when you adjust the handle and insert a metal rod through the hole in the opposite side to push the internal plunger. Now remove the screws that secure the two halves of the housing together. Two of the screws are located underneath the sticker. You'll need to locate those screws, cut through the sticker, and then you can remove them. Also on the top, you'll need to cut through this sticker. Then I can separate the two halves of the housing. With the cover removed, now I can remove the handle lock plunger and the spring. I'll install the new spring and replace the plunger. Now I'll reinstall the drive cable into the drive gear. And align the shaft with the housing. I need to make sure that I align this tab with the housing so it can slide back and forth. And now I'll reinstall the cover. The plunger has a couple of tabs inside that need to align with the plunger on the opposite side. I'll rotate it around until they engage and I can squeeze the two plungers together. And I'll begin retightening the screws. And I'll finish by reinstalling the adjustable handle. And that's how easy it is to install a new spring in your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.